Installing the ElecBrake's VM1 on an INEOS Grenadier. Before we begin, gather all necessary tools and components. Preparing for installation. Step 1. Remove the quarter panel trims from your Grenadier. This will give you access to the areas where we'll be working. Next, remove the jack and its mount by removing the two T45 screws. Keep these parts aside as we'll be reinstalling them later. Now, remove the boot liner, then take off the boot entry trim. Be careful to avoid damaging any clips or fasteners. Remove the rubber grommet from the center access hole. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 3 screws securing the 13-pin Euro adapter. Lift the rubber door seal next to the quarter panel trim. Installing ElecBrake's VM1. Run the ElecBrake's lead through the center access hole and seal with grommet. Run the other half of the ElecBrake's lead underneath the quarter panel to the jack stand compartment, following the rear door seal. Thread the ElecBrake's lead through the bumper as shown. Underneath the vehicle, near the exhaust, locate the ElecBrake's lead. Gently pull through the slack. Now feed the ElecBrake's lead back through to the adapter mount. Reattach the 13-pin Euro adapter to the vehicle using the T20 Torx bit. Plug the ElecBrake's lead into the ElecBrake's adapter. Then plug the ElecBrake's adapter into the 13-pin Euro adapter. Mount the ElecBrake's unit to the provided mounting plate as shown. Secure it firmly. Apply the 3M adhesive on the mounting plate and mount it under the jack stand bracket. Now, connect the adapter lead into the ElecBrake's unit. Reinstalling jack and trims. Reinstall the jack stand bracket with the attached ElecBrake's VM1. Put the jack back in its place. Then, proceed to reinstall the boot entry trim, boot liner and quarter panel trims. The ElecBrake's VM1 unit is now successfully installed. For more information and support, visit our website.